Welcome to Korean Linguistic lesson number 5. In last class, we already discussed about Sino-Korean number system. Sino-Korean number system we are using for address, telephone number, currency, money. For everything we are using Sino-Korean number system. In our today's class, we will see only the native number system. Native number system we are using from numbers 1 to 9 and for telling your age. Suppose someone asks about what is your age, you have to tell in native number system only. Suppose someone asks you what is your phone number, like 68676943. So you have to represent that phone number in Sino-Korean number system. For native number system is only we are using for numbers from 1 to 99 and for telling age only. Now let us see how to write native numbers. First one, what is 1 in native number system? Hana. 1 is Hana. If you observe everything in parenthesis, I mentioned the Korean word. Like 1 is Hana, ha hyphen na. So ha is one syllable, na is one syllable. You can understand like that. If I keep one hyphen in between the syllable means it is one syllable. The next one is new syllable. Okay, 1 is Hana. Ha is one syllable, na is one syllable. Ha. Consonant followed by vertical vowel, so vertical vowel will come besides the consonant. Next syllable is na. Again consonant followed by vertical vowel, so it will come besides the consonant. 1 Hana, 2 Dul. CVC combination. Last consonant will go down. So Dul is fully one syllable. There is no two syllables here. If more than one syllable is there, I used to mention with hyphen. 3 Set. 4 net, 5 dasat. If you observe the 3, 4, 5, I am pronouncing like with ta sound. Set, net, dasat. But I wrote with sa sound. But I written ses. But I am pronouncing as set. I wrote ses. But I am pronouncing set. This is one more concept. If any syllable ends with sa sound, we have to pronounce with ta sound. If any syllable ends with sa, but we have to pronounce with ta sound. So 1 Hana, 2 Dul, 3 Set, 4 Net, 5 Dasat, 6 Yasat, 7 Ilgop, 8 Yadal, 9 Ahop, 10 Yal. Again from 11. From 11, just like same Sino-Korean number system type only, structure only we are following here. 11. 11 is 10 plus 1. What is 10? Yal. What is 1? Hana. Yal, Hana. 11. 12. 10 plus 2. But don't write like 2 plus 10. Structure we have to follow. 10 plus 2. So Yal, Dul. 13. 10 plus 3. Yal, Set. 14. 10 plus 4. 19. 10 plus 9. Yal, Ahop. 10 is Yal, 9 is Ahop. Simple. Same just like in Sino-Korean number system. But if we come to 20, in Sino-Korean number system, we follow the structure like 20 means 2 star 10. But here for 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, there are separate words for that in native number system. 20. 20 is Sumal. What is 20? Sumal. So suppose you want to write 25 in native number system. How to write? 25. 20 plus 5. 20 is Sumal. 5 is Dasat. If you observe for 1 syllable, I just keep one hyphen here. Sumal Dasat. Then you can able to write the Korean word. 30. 30 is Sarun. What is 30? Sarun. Sarun. 33. Again 30 plus 3. Sarun Set. 40. Mahun. 50. Svin. 50. Svin. 60. Yesun. 60. Yesun. 70. Ilhun. Ilhun. 80. Yadun. Yadun. Suppose if you want to write 88 in Korean in native number system, 88 means 80 plus 8. 80 means Yadun. 80 means 8 means Yadal. Yadun Yadal. 90 ahun, 90 ahun. Suppose if you want to write 98, 90 plus 8 ahun yadal. This is, we are using this native number system to write the numbers from 1 to 99. We are using in time concept. Means suppose someone asks what's the time now. If you want to tell if the time is 2 o'clock or 5 o'clock, the 2 you have to use native number system, because clock, in clock system hours we are representing in native number system. Minutes clock we are representing in Sino-Korean number system. And suppose for telling age also we are using native number system. Suppose someone asks what is your age, if you want to tell, suppose if you're 18 or 19 years, 18, so 18 you have to tell in native number system. 18 means 10 plus 8, 10 year, 8 is yadal, that is your age. We have to represent, you have to tell in that way. Now time system we already seen. In clock system, hours clock is represented in native Korean number system. Minutes clock we are represented using in Sino-Korean number system. So, someone asks you like, when will you come to the college? When will you go to the park? When will you go to the hospital? So if you're saying like after 5 minutes, when did you come to the home? 5 minutes before I came to home. Suppose, so you are using those type of structure. So that time 5 minutes, how to tell that 5 minutes in Korean? We already discussed. For minutes we have to use Sino-Korean number system. So what is 5 in Sino-Korean number system? O. Minute in Korean language is bun. So it is O. This is 5 in Sino-Korean number system, minute. Bun. So O bun. Suppose 45 minutes. How to tell 45 minutes? So suppose we are using this type of sentences also, like the train is 45 minutes late. So in those type of situations we are using 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes like. So how to tell that 45 minutes in Korean? So same Sino-Korean number system, using this structure to represent a number like 4 star 10 plus 5, 45. Again Sino-Korean number system, 4 is 10 sheep, 5 O, minute is bun, saship o bun, 45 means 45 minutes means saship o bun. Now coming to hours clock. What is hour in Korean? She. What is hour in Korean? Si. Suppose someone asks you, what is the time now? It is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock means, what is 2 in native number system? Because for hours we have to use native Korean number system only. So 2 is dul. Clock, she. 2 o'clock. Dul she. But here we have written du she. Why like that? Then this one type of doubt you can get here. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, that last syllable it won't come. Like 1 o'clock, han she, 2 o'clock, do she, 3 o'clock, say she, 4 o'clock, ne she. If you observe, see, 3 o'clock, say she. That last letter won't come. That last consonant won't come. That is only for from 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 o'clock. What is 10? Yal, she. 10 o'clock, yal, she. Now we will see how to write 2:45 in Korean. So in English, suppose someone asks what is the time now, you used to say like 2:45, 3:10, 5:25, 6:55. In that way you used to tell. But Koreans used to tell like 2:45 means they used to tell like 2 hours 45 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes. In that way they used to tell the time. So 2 hours 45 minutes. How to write 2 hours? 2 do hour she 45, 4 star 10 plus 5. Sa ship o bun. Do she sa ship o bun. 5 10. Again 5 native number system. Dasat she 10. Ship bun. Dasat she ship bun. Now 12:55. How to represent 12:55 in Korean language time system? 12. 12 is 10 plus 2. Yaldushi Oship open. Yaldushi Oship open. Now, okay. So till now, if someone, if you are telling to someone, please come to my home at 3 o'clock. Sorry, like come to my home at 9 o'clock. So that is morning 9 o'clock or evening 9 o'clock. You're inviting your friend at morning 9 o'clock or evening 9 o'clock. Then one more dot it will erase, right? So for that we are mentioning here AM, PM. What is AM in Korean? Ojan. Ojan. PM, O, who. What is PM? O, who. AM is Ojan. PM, O, who. And now we will write the time for 3:35 a.m. In English, that AM and PM we are representing after the clock. But in Korean, we are representing before the clock. So, almost not only this topic, almost 80% of our all Korean topics, Korean and English, the structure, the sentence structures and everything is in a reverse order. Both Korean sentence structure and English sentence structure, everything is in almost in reverse order. So, here AM comes first. So, what is AM? Ojan, 3 Seshi, 35. Samship Obun. Ojan Seshi Samship Obun. 3:35 a.m. they are representing in this way in Korean. Next 10:55 p.m. Again, what is p.m.? Oho. So we have to write at beginning. So what is 10 in native number system? Yal. 10 hours. Yalshi. 55 minutes. Oship Obun. So suppose if you want to tell 10:55 p.m. in Korean language system means you have to tell like Ohu Yalshi Oshu Pobun. Ohu Yalshi Oshu Pobun. That is our today our lesson number 5. Take n number of examples and try to write that particular script in Korean.